Being a single mother is not a bad thing. This video is for single mothers. You see those men coming to your life promising to date you and still later leave you. See, after becoming a single mother, you don't need to rush of getting to another relationship. Focus on yourself. Ìwọ ló mọ nǹkan tí ó ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin wa àti ẹni tó ní ọmọ tó wà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ tó fi di single mother. Fún pé o jẹ́ single mother kò kí ń ṣàrùn. Don't just rush into another relationship. That is why some men takes you for granted. And most of the time because you don't have good job, you are not capable to take care of yourself and your children. That is what some men will be thinking. After becoming a single mother, get a good job for yourself. Focus on your life. Take good care of yourself. Take good care of that your children, of that your child. See those men that are coming in your life, when they see your life is better and you are doing fine on your own and you are able and capable to take care of yourself and your children, they will come to your life and you will make sure they don't take you for granted. Know who you are. You can celebrate yourself. Be happy. Focus on yourself. Don't rush into any relationship. You can be successful on your own without dating this one. Pé o jẹ́ single mother kò ní pé kó máa tara ẹ lọ́pọ̀. A lot of single mothers làwọn ọkùnrin ti báyé wọn jẹ́, kò dẹ̀ kí ń ṣẹ̀bi àwọn ọkùnrin yẹn náà torí pé ìwọ ló gbéra ẹ lẹ̀ fún wọn nítorí pé o rò ó pé o ò lè dá ara ẹ tọ́, o ò dẹ̀ lè dá àwọn ọmọ yẹn tọ́. Irọ́, obìnrin nìkan dá sóríire láyé. Ginger yourself, motivate yourself. You can do better. You can buy your own house. You can buy your own cars.